In this video, I will tell you how to verify your work email on LinkedIn. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Just make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. Go to the linkedin.com over your desktop or your mobile phone and go over your ID. You will see a add a verification badge option. Just simply go ahead and click on that. You can also access this menu by simply go to the settings and then verifying your profile. So once you're in there, you will see all your work details. Here are some of the steps I have written down, so you guys can simply pause the video and read them out. How to verify it, and I'm gonna show you how you guys can do it. So for the work, you can simply use the work email in order to identify or verify your email address. So for the other any sort of company, you need to open up your mobile phone camera and then go to the QR code on the left side and then follow the steps that is written on your mobile phone in order to do so. So these are some of the simplest things that you need to perform in order to get your email verified on the LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.